Hello and welcome to this video. I thought that I would do an 1,000 item declutter challenge. I saw a few people doing videos on that and I thought, well, I definitely need to declutter some stuff. So I printed off this sheet of paper. I don't know if you can see it. It has 1,000 items, so I guess you just mark off every time you declutter something. And so I thought there's a couple different ways I could go about this. I could set a timer and see how much I could declutter within a certain time frame, but I'm afraid I might get pulled to the side with my children to help them do something, or if they need my help, then I'll have to go assist them. So I thought, well, maybe if I just set a goal to maybe declutter 50 items in this one time frame, and then I'll just go from there. Otherwise, if I thought that I could dedicate a certain amount of time, I probably would prefer to do it that way. But my kids are watching TV, I have one napping, so I'm definitely going to try to declutter 50 items. That's my goal for this video as fast as I can. Some items I do know that I already have in my head that I need to list on eBay. In previous videos you might have heard me talk about that if I think it's of good value, still in good condition, I will list items that I have around the house on eBay to help out and contribute with a little bit of our household income. So I'll declutter those, even though in theory it's like I won't be able to get it out of my house, whereas in items I donate, I will just be able to take it to the local Goodwill and be done with it. But that's okay, because even the items I do sell on eBay, even though I'm not getting them out of my house, I do have a designated area that I keep all of my eBay items organized in, and they're nice, neat, and tucked away, so I know where everything is. So in a sense, it's still kind of decluttering that, but without further ado, I'm going to get to decluttering 50 items. This closet is in a spare bedroom that was one time used as my nursery. So naturally, because it had a lot of extra space, I would constantly just kind of throw things in there if I didn't have a specific place for them. So I thought that this would be a really easy first time place to declutter. So I have a lot of baby items. As you can see, I have a crib bumper, which I even hesitate to donate because I'm not really certain that those are considered a safe item to use anymore with the baby. But I am going to declutter that. A lot of baby items, like I said. And then I move on to my youngest little boy's clothing. It has been a while since I have decluttered that. This room isn't even a nursery anymore, but I still store his clothes there, so that kind of gives you an idea how long it's been since I've decluttered his clothes. So it's quite a lot of baby items, baby clothing, some pieces to car seats that my kids have outgrown. So all things like that I am decluttering in this closet. I also wanted to take a moment and introduce myself if you are new here. My name is Mary Lou. I am a mom of 3 small children, and my channel focuses on mom life, motherhood, lifestyle content. I want this place to be a channel of encouragement where women, especially mothers, can come and watch my videos and get encouragement that they're not alone in doing all the mundane chores that mothers seem to do, that there's somebody right here with them, and hopefully we can body double and get some stuff done. So if you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. I am so glad that you are here. Okay, so I've pretty much decluttered everything I want to in that closet. I'm going to take y'all to a different room, kind of show you what items I decluttered and my thought process, what I'm going to donate, and what I'm going to list on eBay. Okay, so these items, this is a nice brand name bib, so I'm going to list it with a couple of blankets that are in the same brand name on eBay. And a couple of name brand little boy shirts. I'm going to list those on eBay as well. Let me get the rest of the stuff. All right, let's see what we got. A blanket, which I have a hard time donating, but I promise you I have way too many blankets. Baby bib, so I'm supposed to be counting as I'm doing this. This is a cover to a podster, which is kind of like a boppy pillow type thing. So we have that. So let's see, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, let's see, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, baby blanket, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As long as I get 50, I'm going to stop counting at 50. 31, 32, 33, 34, 34, 35. These are baby crib sheets. I have a hard time not selling them because they're quick zip, but I really don't want to deal with them because how am I going to make these look nice to display in a cover photo on eBay? I'm just going to say I'm going to be a blessing, and I think 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, this is 42. Oh goodness, I need a few more things. I know what I'm going to get. Got my sheet. So 42, 43, 44 baby blankets. I need a few more things. I'm going to go to my closet because I know 45, 46. Okay, so let's see, that was 42, 5, 46, 47, 48. Do I need 2 more? I'm losing count. I know I have 2 more of something. Okay, so 49, 50. I know I lost count, and so my counting may be off, but I definitely think I got at least 50 items. The only items that I'm going to list on eBay, which I'm happy about because that still kind of keeps it in my possession and kind of keeps me cluttered to some extent, even though I do put it away in my closet in a designated area. I'm going to list these. I'm going to list these 2 very nice baby blankets, which I barely used, and they're going to go right along with one. I'll probably list these 2 together, make it just a little more, beef up the listing, but it feels really good. I was able to do that very quickly. Probably I need to time myself next time, but I don't think it took me any more than 20 minutes. Definitely I haven't been here for 30 minutes, so thank you so much for joining me, and I'm going to do another declutter challenge video, and I'm going to mark off 50 items on my declutter sheet, and I will see you guys later.